Join your hands and close your eyes. Start the assembly with Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। नः प्रचोदयात्।
Position, just forward your right hand for clap.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
ಕೂತು ಉಂಡರೆ ಕುಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಲದು. ಯಾಶುಭ್ರವಸ್ತನಿಕ ಯಾವೇನ ವರ್ದಂಡ ಮಂಡಿತಕರ ಯಾಶ್ವೇತ ಪದ್ಮಾರ್ಶನ ಯಾಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಚತುಶಂಕರ ಪ್ರವತಿ ಬಿರ್ದೇವ ಸದಾ ಪೂಜಿತ ಸಾನಂ ಪಾತು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಭಗವತಿ ನಿಶೇಷ ಜಡ್ಯಪ್ಪ.